KMRSounds.
I'm a rich scholar, got the city shook. I make top dollar like a white collar. Keep a white collar, black forces on my foot. And I stick with my brothers like the pages of a book. Gordon Ramsay, let me cook. On the east side, Big E, I'm not a though. Rookie, young boy, but not a rookie. Leave out the back of my school, the press out to get me. Envy, people who envy you can't keep them close. They might give a quote to the post, you know how that shit go.
This school used to be Latin and Greek and math Olympiads, and now it's TikTok?
The post capping, we still doing Greek and Latin. Several mothers at my school hate me with a passion. They ain't want their son in school with a kid rapping. They ain't want me to graduate, but I made it happen. Rich scholar, top shotter, dandada. The ops knew my school address and they did nada. Take your safety off if you don't got ops. Periodic shawty, hot tamale, give me wacky top. Like, she give me wacky top. Periodic shawty, hot tamale, give me wacky top. Hold on. Periodic means she curvy though. I could be tangent to your curve, but you ain't worthy. Cause I'm a rich scholar, got the city shook. I make top dollar like a white collar. Keep a white collar, black forces on my foot. And I stick with my brothers like the pages of a don't judge a book by its cover like these mothers do. Can't say their names cause I get sued. What did I do? Tell me I don't got a clue. Wait, Mabu, bet your kids love me more than you. I'm a rich scholar, got the city shook. I make top dollar like a white collar. Keep a white collar, black forces on my foot. And I stick with my brothers like the pages of a book.
KMRSounds.